Hi, my name is Natasha Salifianjikaum from Zambia, and I'm 23 years old. Coming from a third world country, matters of family planning have been at the center of my education due to their impact on the social and economic aspects of my country today. For a long time, matters of family planning have been thought to be for the older generation. That is to imply those that are above 25, those that are married, or those that are in serious relationships. But recent changes in behavioral and sexual patterns say something different. Nowadays, we are seeing more adolescents and more youths being sexually active. We are seeing more adolescents indulging in sex, and this needs to be dealt with. I must also mention that I am a medical student, and throughout my education, especially in my obstetrics and gynecology rotation, I have been exposed firsthand to the many problems facing Zambian women and girls today. It is due to this vast wealth of knowledge that I have attained that I think that matters of family planning should be taken seriously. One of the organizations that has played a huge role in sexual and reproductive health advancement in Zambia, Marriage Stops International, did produce a report that showed that 46% of the Zambian population is below 15 years, and of these, 60% are female. The same report goes on to say that 48% of the Zambian women are mothers by the age of 19. This just shows how many mothers in Zambia today are being forced into early marriages. Many mothers in Zambia today are being forced into early motherhood, which is unplanned, untimed, and most of these pregnancies are unwanted. Furthermore, I must say that another report, the Zambia Demographic Health Survey, which was released in March 2015, showed that 37% of the youths aged between 15 and 19 have been given knowledge on adolescent health and family planning. But many of these are not using contraceptives or not using family planning methods. This has even seen an increase in the number of HIV infection rates in the adolescents, because some of these family planning methods, like barrier methods, can be used to reduce the number of STIs and also to reduce HIV infection. The report shows that 10.6% only are using contraceptives and family planning methods below the age of 19 years. So far, the global health community has made strides towards sexual and reproductive health, and they have made it a priority. This has been evidenced in the Millennium Development Goals as well as in the post-2015 agenda. One might ask, why are matters of family planning important? It is because family planning affects all the other sectors. I'll use Zambia as a stereotype. For example, in Zambia today, according to the Zambia Demographic Health Survey, 40% of children are malnourished. And one of the major factors that lead to this malnourishment are family planning, poor family planning. Family sizes are large, and also women with unwanted pregnancies become negligent mothers. Another example is maternal mortality. According to the same study, 30% of maternal mortality in Zambia today is due to septic abortions, which are conducted by women that have unwanted pregnancies. And so for global commitments to be met, local action needs to be taken. Local action that is tailored to the different communities needs to be taken. The local action that is tailored to Zambia, for example, needs to be taken, tailored to the different parts of the world today. The first place to start would be in families. Then we would need to engage communities, traditional leaders, schools, local health centers, and clinics. Youths need to rise up to this challenge. Youths that have information about family planning need to step up and rise up to the challenge and set up youth-led projects. These projects will be independent bodies that will give family planning education to the youths and to the adolescents. Because one of the major factors of poor family planning use in the adolescents has been due to reluctance in the caregivers. The caregivers have been reluctant, and this reluctance has been governed by social norms, cultural norms, political factors, economic factors, to mention but a few. So if the youths rise up and set up their own run projects, this will make a change in their sexual and reproductive health, as well as in the family planning use in adolescents.